Hey guys, it's Miss Fry again. Today we're going to talk about clarinet hand position. I'm not going to do a whole lot of having you move your fingers yet. We'll do that in co-op, but I just want you to know where your hands go, okay? So your left hand is the hand that goes on top. Your right hand is the hand that goes on bottom. I'm kind of mirrored from you right now if you're watching this, so just know left is on top, right is on bottom. All right, I'm going to start with the left hand because that's the hand on top, okay? So in the front of your clarinet on the upper joint, you see there are 3 holes. 2 of them have keys, 1 of them does not. If I take, like I'm doing the number 3, my 3 fingers, that's where those go, okay? 1, 2, 3. And we're going to call those fingers 1, 2, 3, okay? My pinky, I have 4 options of pinky keys right here. Right now, I really don't care which one you put it on. Just pick one. We use them all throughout the year. I like this one right here that's right underneath finger 3 because it's just the easiest to get to. And then my thumb is on this circle thumb in the back. And it's also kind of angled so that it can touch this register key. So I should be able to press both of those at the same time because you will have to do that. Okay, so make sure you can reach and touch the register key while also covering the thumb hole at the same time. I usually think if my, like if it's a clock, I think like I'm pointing to like 2 o'clock. So my thumb is kind of at an angle so that I can reach both of those. Okay, so I have thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky. My front finger, my top finger, if you look at it, is kind of pointed down. So you have 2 keys up here. This one is called the G sharp key. This one is called the A key. Okay, you'll kind of learn what that means later on. But you want to be able to touch both of those. So if you look at my fingers, they're not straight across. My hand is kind of tilted down. So my fingers are kind of pointed down at an angle. So my first finger wraps around at the big knuckle, wraps around that G sharp key, can kind of touch that A key, and then goes to the hole. Okay, so I'm not pressing these keys down. I'm just touching them. Okay, so that is my left hand position. Right hand position is easier than that. You have your thumb rest on the back. Your thumb goes under the thumb rest. So think about taking your thumbprint, putting it on the clarinet, and then sliding it up. Your thumb is under the thumb rest. And it's right where like your nail ends and your skin begins. Right there at the nail bed. That's where you want it. So you don't want your thumb way over here, right at the end of the thumbnail. Okay? All right, and then simple, 3 circles for the 3 fingers. We're gonna call those finger 4, 5, and 6. If you remember on the top hand, we had 1, 2, 3. Down here we have 4, 5, 6. And again, I have 4 options of pinky keys. So you can pick whichever one you like the best for right now. Probably these ones in the front are easier. And that's where my bottom hand is. So I have left hand on top, right hand on bottom. Okay, I'm not right now, don't worry about pressing the keys down, just practice being able to touch all of them. If you can touch all of them, that's fantastic. Okay, we really will only work in the top hand for probably the first couple weeks. So if you can get that hand really comfortable, that's great. All right, bye guys.